At the edge of the world, where land disappears into ice and silence rules the horizon, life finds a way. In a place shaped by brutal winds and unforgiving cold, a bird stands against nature's greatest challenges. It cannot fly, yet it survives where few others can. This is the world of the penguin. Awkward on land, fearless in the sea, bound by instinct, family, and survival. For millions of years, penguins have mastered ice and ocean, enduring storms, predators, and the slow transformation of the planet itself. This is not just a story of birds. This is a story of resilience, sacrifice, and life at the extreme. Penguins are among the most remarkable birds on Earth, living a lifestyle shaped by extremes, discipline, and survival. Found primarily in the southern hemisphere, penguins have adapted to environments ranging from the frozen deserts of Antarctica to temperate coastlines and rocky islands. Despite their inability to fly, penguins thrive by mastering both land and sea, spending much of their lives in the ocean where they hunt, travel, and escape predators. Their lifestyle revolves around the rhythm of the sea, the seasons, and the collective strength of their colonies. Penguins are built for aquatic life, with streamlined bodies, strong flippers, and dense bones that allow them to dive deep and swim with incredible speed and precision. In water, they are agile and powerful, often described as birds that fly beneath the waves. On land, their upright posture and waddling walk may appear clumsy, but every movement serves a purpose, conserving energy in harsh environments where survival depends on efficiency. Penguins are highly social animals, and their lifestyle is deeply rooted in community living. They gather in large colonies that can range from a few dozen individuals to hundreds of thousands, offering protection from predators and warmth against the cold. Within these colonies, penguins communicate through a complex system of vocal calls and physical gestures, allowing them to recognize mates and chicks even among thousands of others. Their daily life is a balance between cooperation and competition as they work together to survive while also defending territory and food sources. Feeding is one of the most important aspects of a penguin's lifestyle. Penguins are carnivorous and rely on the ocean for food, primarily consuming fish, squid, and krill. Hunting trips can last from a few hours to several days, depending on the species and availability of food. Some penguins dive to extraordinary depths, with emperor penguins capable of plunging more than 500 meters below the surface and holding their breath for over 20 minutes. These dives are physically demanding and require precise control of oxygen and body temperature. Penguins often hunt in groups, increasing their chances of success and reducing the risk of predation. Breeding and parenting define another critical phase of penguin life. Most penguins follow a seasonal breeding cycle, returning to the same nesting sites year after year. Many species form long-term pair bonds, demonstrating loyalty and cooperation that strengthens their chances of raising healthy chicks. Nesting habits vary widely. Some penguins build nests from stones and pebbles, others dig burrows, while emperor penguins rely entirely on their bodies to protect their eggs. One of the most extraordinary examples of penguin lifestyle is seen in emperor penguins, where males incubate the egg on their feet through the harsh Antarctic winter, enduring extreme cold, powerful winds, and months without food. This level of sacrifice highlights the resilience and dedication embedded in penguin life. Chick rearing is a demanding process, with parents taking turns hunting and guarding their young. Chicks depend entirely on adults for warmth and food, and their survival often depends on timing, weather conditions, and food availability. As chicks grow, they gather in groups known as creches, providing warmth and protection while parents are away hunting. Predators are a constant threat throughout a penguin's life. In the ocean, penguins must remain alert to dangers such as leopard seals, orcas, and sharks. On land, eggs and chicks are vulnerable to birds like skuas and gulls. Penguins rely on their speed, agility, and group behavior to survive, often entering and exiting the water together to confuse predators. Climate and environment play a defining role in shaping penguin lifestyle. Penguins are highly sensitive to changes in sea ice, ocean temperature, and food supply. In recent years, climate change has disrupted traditional patterns, affecting breeding success and survival rates. Melting ice reduces breeding grounds, while warming oceans push prey farther away, forcing penguins to travel longer distances for food. Pollution, overfishing, and human activity further threaten their way of life. Despite these challenges, penguins continue to demonstrate remarkable adaptability and endurance. Conservation efforts around the world aim to protect penguin habitats, regulate fishing practices, and reduce environmental damage. Penguins are more than just iconic birds. They are indicators of ocean health and environmental balance. Their lifestyle reflects a delicate relationship between land, sea, and climate, a relationship that has existed for millions of years. Understanding how penguins live helps us understand the broader challenges facing our planet. In the quiet determination of a penguin crossing the ice, in the precision of a dive beneath frozen waters, and in the shared responsibility of raising the next generation, we see a powerful story of survival. The lifestyle of penguins is not just about enduring harsh conditions. It is about cooperation, resilience, and harmony with nature. As long as the oceans remain alive and the ice endures, penguins will continue their ancient journey, reminding us that even in the most extreme environments, life persists with strength, discipline, and purpose. From frozen deserts to restless seas, penguins continue their ancient journey. They are survivors of time and witnesses to a changing world. Every dive into the ocean and every step across the ice tells a story written over millions of years. But today, their future hangs in the balance. As the ice melts and the oceans warm, the fate of penguins reflects the fate of our planet. If their story moved you, stay curious, stay connected to the wild, and join us as we continue exploring the extraordinary lives that share this planet with us.